Welcome back to Geo Voices, where the earth speaks if you know how to listen. I'm your host PGO, and today we're diving deep into the glittering world of quartz. Yes, quartz, the most abundant mineral you probably take for granted. But did you know it's also the unsung hero behind some of the most beloved gemstones in jewelry? Quartz comes in two major families, macrocrystalline and cryptocrystalline. Each has its own set of gem quality varieties used across cultures, centuries, and continents. Let's start with the showstoppers. First up, amethyst, the purple royalty of the quartz world. Its color? A result of iron and natural radiation. It's transparent, brilliant, and found everywhere from Brazil to Zambia. The deeper the purple, the higher the value. If you've heard the term Siberian amethyst, that's the gold standard. Then there's citrine, warm like sunshine. It's often heat-treated amethyst, but don't let that fool you. Its fiery yellow to orange hues make it a staple in jewelry design. Brazil and Madagascar are its main sources. Want something softer? Meet rose quartz, translucent, pink, and dreamy. It owes its color to microscopic dumortieri inclusions. Some rare specimens even show asterism, a star-like pattern under light. Prefer something moodier? Smoky quartz has you covered. From pale gray to rich black brown, it's caused by natural radiation altering aluminum content. It's elegant, understated, and incredibly durable. And don't overlook rock crystal pure, colorless quartz. Often carved or faceted, it may not have the flashiest color, but it embodies clarity and versatility. Now here's a geological marvel, ametrine. A natural blend of amethyst and citrine in one crystal thanks to temperature gradients affecting iron oxidation during formation. Bolivia's Anaheim mine is the world's only significant source. Milky quartz, though common, is still used in rustic jewelry styles. It gets its cloudiness from countless microscopic inclusions. Think of it as Earth's natural opal fog. And finally, rutilated quartz, clear quartz, laced with golden or reddish rutile needles. These inclusions form naturally and turn a simple stone into wearable art. Enter the world of cryptocrystalline quartz, where quartz and mogonite team up in textures you can't see without a microscope. Leading the pack is chalcedony, known for its soft, glowing luster often in shades of gray or blue, Agate, a banded masterpiece. It forms layer by layer in volcanic cavities, creating patterns as unique as fingerprints, often dyed but always mesmerizing. Carnelian is fiery, iron-rich, and ancient. Think Roman rings, Egyptian amulets. This stone has been beloved for millennia. Onyx, often confused with other dark stones, is a black or banded chalcedony. Natural black onyx is rare, most are dyed, but its smooth texture makes it perfect for intaglios and cameos. Chrysoprasenical's gift to the gem world. This apple green gem is both rare and luminous. Australia's deposits produce some of the finest specimens. And finally, bloodstone or heliotrope. Green chalcedony spattered with red hematite inclusions. Historically worn as a talisman, it was even believed to hold healing powers. What makes quartz such a versatile gem material? It's durable, clocking in at 7 on the Mohs scale. It's chemically stable, and it forms in so many geologic environments: pegmatites, hydrothermal veins, volcanic cavities, and laterites. For geologists, each variety of quartz tells a different story about temperature, pressure, and fluid evolution. And for enthusiasts, it's a gateway mineral. You don't need to be a millionaire to own a beautiful piece of Earth's geological history. Whether it's a sparkling amethyst from Uruguay or a mossy agate from India, quartz brings the deep time stories of our planet into our hands, our homes, and even our hearts. Like what you heard. Don't forget to subscribe to Geo Voices, where every mineral has a voice and every rock tells a story. Drop a comment. What's your favorite quartz gem and why?
Welcome to my channel, where you'll find over 2,000 videos on geology, geochemistry, AI, and many other subjects. If you like what you see, help us grow by subscribing, liking, and sharing this channel.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.